Okay. Woohoo! Purdue University seal of the trustees. And time for the main thing. Wow. So looks like this.
Wow.
And I'll unfold it. Says yes. Yay, I'm so happy. What does it say? Be it known that the trustees of Purdue University, upon nomination of the faculty, have granted to Shruti Mandaokar the degree of Master of Science in recognition of fulfillment of requirements of that degree. And yeah, you can see the president's name, Moon Jae. I think he shifted to another university for now, but yeah, I'm so happy that I received it. Finally, this is it, guys. Now I'm a PFW alumni, and I'm so happy about that. Gonna show this to my mom. Time to close.
अरे वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग